Hello children, now we'll be seeing how to make eco-friendly Rakhi. The materials required for this are the dry spices, methi, a piece of paper, Fevicol and a satin ribbon. Now here we have taken a round piece of paper. Now it depends upon your wish which kind of shape you want to take. You can take a square paper, a star shape. Okay, see that the paper is little thick so that whatever decoration we are doing, it will be done properly. Now in the center of the paper, after sticking it onto the satin ribbon, put Fevicol again, and on that you can put this dry spice. Now this is called star anise. Okay, now like this, whatever spices are there at your home, with the help of your mother, you can take and decorate as you wish. Now here I have taken elaichi or cardamom in the next step and I am sticking. Now you can observe, depends on the shape of the paper which I have taken, I'm doing the decoration. So it depends upon your wish how you want to do the decoration. Now we have so many spices available at our home, like we have pepper is available, then we have cloves will be there. So many things are available. Now ask your mother to give some dry spices and you can do the decoration as you wish. It depends upon your interest, your creativity. However you want, you can do your decoration. Now this is an eco-friendly Rakhi. This will not cause harm to the nature. It will not be harmful for the environment because it is not made up of any plastic or any material which is harmful. Okay, these all things which we are using will be completely harmless for the nature. Yes, this will be mixing easily once you throw out into the mud. So these eco-friendly Rakhis or green Rakhis what we are making will not at all cause any harm to the nature. Now here you can see I am sticking the methi seeds. Now it depends upon you. If you want to use methi seeds or any other pulses, we have so many colorful pulses available at home. There is nothing that you have to do in this way only. You can take the help of your mother, ask for the pulses colorful and stick. Now you can see my Rakhi is almost ready because it's Fevicol. Let it dry for some time. Now you can see that our eco-friendly Rakhi is available. Now you can use this Rakhi, tie it to your brother, elder brother, younger brother, okay, anyone, and celebrate your Rakhi in an eco-friendly way. Now what you can do is, once the celebrations are done, the next day or after 2 days, you take the methi seeds, put them in a pot filled with mud and water it and take care of the seedlings till the day the saplings are out. So daily pour some water and after few days you can see that these methi seeds have turned into saplings, into methi leaves. Now take this methi leaves, put it in your curry and make it as a healthy dish. Okay, so done. This is the way we can celebrate eco-friendly Rakhi. Thank you.